Good morning, students. Today I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary question paper number 775. 775. See, first 5 questions are fillers, double fillers. 2 columns are given here. We have to choose the option from the columns. So, first question, I blank this statement. What is I here? Subject. After subject, what do we require? Verb. I blank this statement of considerable importance. It sets the background against which it is blank to consider the issues in the case. It is. Before blank, what do we have here? Is. B form. After a B form, usually we require adjective. Adjective. So, in the first blank, verb, second blank, adjective. Let us see options. First column 1, I blank, I regard. Regard means give importance, treat, consider. Reckon, reckon means have an opinion. Have an opinion, have a strong opinion. Reckon, reckoned, reckoned verb. Mitigate, mitigate means decrease, decrease. So, according to meaning of this statement, reckon is correct. I reckon this statement of considerable importance. It sets the background against which it is. We require adjective. Let us see column 2. Pertinent. Pertinent means related. Not correct. Crucial. Crucial means important, serious. Not correct. Superfluous. Superfluous means exceeding. Exceeding. Excessive. Excessive. So this is correct answer. So I am reading the sentence with answers. I reckon this statement of considerable importance. It sets the background against which it is superfluous to consider the issues in the case. Next question. I am now well into my 3rd month of unpaid holiday. I am now well into my 3rd month of unpaid holiday and beginning to entertain the blank suggestion. What is suggestion? Noun. Before noun, blank is given. So here we require adjective. Adjective of an idea of a blank that. Article is given. After article, what do we require? Noun. So in the first blank, adjective. Second blank, noun. Let us see. Merest. Mere, mearer, merest. Adjective. Mere means small. Meager. Meager, small quantity. Merest, superlative degree. Harmless. Trifling. Trifle means unimportant. So here, merest correct. Merest suggestion. Small suggestion. Simple suggestion of an idea of a blank. Suspicion. Suspicion means doubt, no? Laughter, liking. D, right answer. So I am reading with answer. I am now well into my 3rd month of unpaid holiday, beginning to entertain the merest suggestion of an idea of a suspicion. Next question. So, blank volunteers, volunteers noun. So before a noun, what do we require? Adjective. Blank volunteers, blank. This is subject. Blank volunteers is subject. After subject, usually what do we require? Verb. In the first blank, adjective. Second blank, verb. So blank volunteers, blank the members with the games of cards and bingo. Supplied volunteers, no, meaningless. Supplied volunteers. Made volunteers, no. These two are verbs. Dedicated volunteers, right answer. Dedicated adjective here. Of course, it is past participle 3rd form, but here it functions as an adjective. Dedicated volunteers, we require verb. Gainsay, gainsay means deny, deny, refuse, object. Entertain, entertain, fascinate. Entertain means amuse, no? Amuse, make fun. Fascinate is a good word. Fascinate means admire, admire, love, love, passionate. So our answer according to meaning, dedicated volunteers entertain the members with games. Games, no? Games of cards. Usually with the games, what do we do? Entertain. Right answer. The answer here is dedicated volunteers entertain. Next question. Her blank, her blank brought its reward. Her pronoun. It is in the possessive case. After that, we always require noun. Her blank brought its reward with a number of junior tournament blank. See, aberration. Aberration means fact, truth. No. Determination, see, good word. Determination means a strong decision. We can also say resolution. Resolve verb, resolution noun. Her determination, expectation, hope. No. Answer is determination. Her determination brought its reward with a number of junior tournament reward. Reward. See, let us see. Tournament, predilection. Predilection means a preference, priority. Proclivity. Proclivity means a tendency. Tendency. Inclination. Inclination. A kind of bad behavior. Victory is correct, no? Her determination brought its reward with a number of junior tournament victories. Victories means success, no? That is the right answer. Next question. Next question is, the main reason we have a hard time blank these scenarios is not just that the technical problems are blank. The main reason we have a hard time imagining, exacerbating. Exacerbate means worsen. Worsen means make very bad. Make bad, very bad. Worsen. Envisaging, imagine, envisaging, both are same meaning. So imagining, exacerbating, envisaging. But better one is envisaging. The main reason we have a hard time, envisaging means predicting. We predict, guess. These scenarios is not just that the technical problems are glutting. Glut means supply, excessively, more than that required. Intimidating means threatening, frightening. Daunting. Daunting means fearful, fearful. So the right answer is intimidating. See, I am reading with answers. The main reason we have a hard time envisaging these scenarios is not just that the technical problems are intimidating. Next, we have close test here. Climate change is a change in a climate change is a change in the blank conditions on the earth. Blank conditions on the earth. We have options. Magnet. Magnet means attraction. Attraction. Climatic. Magnify. Partial. Magnify, partial. Magnet means attractive. Climatic. Magnify. Magnify means make bigger. make bigger, partial. Right answer is climatic. Climate change, climate change is a change in the climatic conditions. Right answer. Next question is, this is caused due to various internal and external blank. Various, no, it always takes a plural noun. Various, reason, of course noun but singular. Charges, ransom. Ransom means no, it is noun form. So somebody is kidnapped. The kidnappers demand money to release the person. That demand is called ransom. Money demanded by kidnappers. Factors, right answer. External factors, internal factors, external factors. 4, right answer. Next question is, including solar radiation, variation in the Earth's orbit, volcanic eruptions, plate tectonics, etc. Climate change, in fact, has blank. Before blank, we have perfect form has. After have has, what do we require? Third form of the verb, past participle. Let us see. Reasons, no, it is noun. Becoming, no, present participle. Become. Gone, of course it is also correct, but has become. Gone is meaningless here, has gone is meaningless. Has become a cause of concern, particularly over the last few decades. Change in the pattern of the blank on the earth has become a global cause of concern. Change in the pattern of the blank, we require noun. Change in the climate, correct. Change in the heat, meaningless. Change in the water, change in the oxygen, wrong. Change in the climate on the earth has become a global cause of concern. There are many factors that lead to climate change, and this change blank the life on the earth. This change affecting none of these. We require verb, no? Change is singular, so the verb should take S or ES. Affect, wrong. Affects, this is not verb, this is correct. Affects. Option 3 is right. Next, what do we have? Yes, here 5 words are given. One word differs with the other from the other 4 words. One word differs from the other 4 words. Let us see. Indifference. Indifference means not interested. Lethargy. Unwillingness. Unwilling, not interested. So these both are same. Alacrity is a good word. Alacrity means willingness. Willingness. Enthusiasm. Zeal. Yes, it's a good word. Enthusiasm, interest. Reluctance means no. Reluctance means rejection, refusal. Rejection, refusal. Antipathy. Antipathy means, what is the meaning? Dislike. Dislike. Slowness. So these 4 make, of course, same meaning. Indifference, lethargy, reluctance, slowness. These 4 make same meaning. Alacrity is a different word. So option 3 correct. Next. So joyful, cheerful. Same, no? Joyful, cheerful, happy, bright. These 4 words make same meaning. Sullen. Sullen means unwillingness, unhappy. Unhappy. So the answer here, sullen, 4. Next one is vague. Vague means unclear, not clear. Puzzled, confusion, confused. Obscure, obscure means not clear. So these 4 words make same meaning. Vague, puzzled, confused, obscure. So different word is lucid. Lucid means clear. Clear means obvious, no? Obvious, clear, evident. These are the synonyms. So the different word here is second, lucid, right option. Next we have bright, gloomy. Gloomy means sorrow. Gloomy means sorrow. Pensive means sorrow, sadness. Melancholy means sorrow, sadness. Downbeat means grief, sorrow. Yes, these 4 words make same meaning. Different word here is bright. Bright. These 4 are negative sense. Bright is in positive sense. Next, merciful. Merciful means kindness, no? Kind. Tender, soft, kind. Non-violent, soft, kind. Benevolent, benevolent. These are the same words. Ferocious seems different word. Gentle again. These 4, merciful, tender, non-violent, gentle. Ferocious. Ferocious means terrible, horrible. Fierce, fierce. So this is 4th one is different word. Now we have, what do we have here? Reading comprehension. Of course, a short paragraph is given here. First, let us see the questions. What is the first question? Which of the following reflects the result of the study mentioned in the paragraph? It's a direct question. Second question, which of the following could be inferred from the noun phrase national aquatic animal? It's a direct question from the passage. Which of the following areas could researchers find GRD? Direct question. Which of the first synonym? And what in the fill in the blank? It is a direct question. Yes, we have 5 questions here. Let us read the passage first. Let us read the passage. Rise in sanity, rise in salinity. Salinity means salt. Rise in salinity in the water system that makes the Indian Sundarbans has resulted in a decrease in population of the Ganges river dolphins in the region. A recent study blank 100 km of rivers and channels. See here, what is the first sentence? Say, rise in sanity in the water system makes the Indian Sundarbans has resulted in a decrease in population. A recent study blank 100 km of rivers and channels around the Sundarbans has revealed that the national aquatic animal is no longer sighted in the central and eastern parts of the archipelago. Only in the western part, Sundarbans, where the salinity is lower, could researchers find some evidence of this species. Because of the salty water, so this animal, national aquatic animal, is not seen in the central part or eastern part of the country. It is mostly seen in the, where is it seen? Western part, because water is not salted there. The details of the study have been published in Journal of Threatened Taxa in an article titled Possible Range Decline of Ganges River Dolphins Platanista gangetica in Indian Sundarban. The paper, authorized by Sangeeta Mitra Maharaj Chowdhury, states that sighting records in the present study reveal distribution of GRD is influenced by the salinity level of the waterways. Let us see the questions now. First question, which of the following reflects the result of the study mentioned in the paragraph? None of the below. Water system around the sunbeams has a length of 100 km. Indian sunbeam is an archipelago. Salinity level in the water system that makes the, yes, third one. Salinity level in the water system that makes the Indian sunbeams has risen. Yes, it is in the first line itself. Rise in salinity. Rise in salinity in the water system that makes the Indian sunbeams has resulted. Option 4 is option 3 is after 4 option 4 is right answer. Distribution of GRT, no, not correct. Next question is, which of the following could be inferred from the noun phrase aquatic, national aquatic animal? Let us see the options. Turtle is not the national aquatic. Turtle is not the national aquatic. If an animal is a national animal, then it means that the population of that animal is large in number. No. National aquatic animal is same as national animal. Both options 1 and 2, no, none of these. The answer is not found in the passage. What is asked? Which of the following could be inferred from the noun phrase national aquatic animal? Turtle, no. National animal, no. Population. National aquatic animal, no. Both options 1 and 2, no. None of the above is right answer. Next question is, in which of the following areas could researchers find Ganges River dolphin? Water system that makes the Indian sunbeams, central parts of the Indian sunbeams, western parts, yes, it is clearly given. Because of the salinity, these species are not found in the central part, not found in the eastern part. They are found only in the western part. So western part is right answer. Option 3. Next question. Which of the following word is the synonym of reveal? Reveal. See here, entitle. No. Reveal means say something. Mention something. Mention right answer. Mention right answer. Next, third, wield. Wield means use power. Use power. Divulge. Divulge means no. Gather some secret information. Gather some secret information. Operate. Option 2 is right answer. Next question. Which of the following can fill in the blank given in the passage above? So in the recent study in the blank, which word is correct? A recent study blank 100 km of rivers and channels. Surround, no. Covering, imagining, sounding, meaningless. Covering, correct. A recent study covering 100 km of rivers and channels around the, so covers, no, area is covered. Covering, right answer. Next question. So sentence improvement. Sentence, fillers. We have to fill up the blank with phrase or clause. Sometimes students. What is students here? Subject. After subject, what do we require? Verb. Sometimes students blank, finding the tone of a story because it is hard for them to understand the winter's thought. Having, no, it's not verb. Had, it is past tense. Here, how does the sentence begin? Sometimes. Sometimes means it is a general statement. Usually. So, we don't use past tense. Have a difficult time. Students plural, have, correct. Have a difficult time. Here also we have, but difficulty time wrong. Time noun, difficult adjective. But here time noun, difficulty also noun, it is wrong. Option 3 is correct. Next question. A country without toleration for dissidents, blank. See here, a country subject. Here we must use verb related to the subject. A country is in singular number. We require a singular verb. A country without toleration for dissidents, blank. Tyrannical rule where everyone must follow the same ideals is nothing more, is singular, correct. A country without toleration for dissidents is nothing more than a tyrannical rule. Tyrannical rule singular, so more than. Is not many, many wrong. Is nothing more than and wrong. Here we have tyrannical, a correct and wrong. Was nothing more than and wrong. Option 1 correct answer. The surgery is urgent clause. Surgery is urgent as here means because the patient blank. Here we require verb. Surgery is urgent because patient blank will not living wrong. Will modal verb no? After modal verb we require base form of verb. Will not live, correct it seems. Would not living, meaningless. Would was meaningless. Option 2 correct. Will not live. Next one. I am no good when it comes to answering a riddle as they are always blank. Or what is or? B form. After B form what do we use? Past participle, third form, verb third form. I am no good when it comes to answering a riddle as they are always worded so intricated wrong. So here adverb. After adverb we require again adverb. Wording no wrong. Word wrong. Worded so intricately, right answer. Here worded past participle third form. So adverb, intricately again adverb. So option 4 is correct. Next one. When everyone was invited to play basketball class, Derek decided to wait on the sidelines, cheer for his friends instead of wrong. After instead, we use preposition of instead of playing, correct. Instead of is a usage, no? It always takes present participle in form. Instead of YFF of wrong. Instead of played wrong. Option 2 is correct. Next question. Common errors. A sentence has been divided into 3 parts. There may be an error in one part or 2 parts. Let us see. Not wanting to badger my supervisor. Not wanting to badger to infinitive. 2 plus base form. Correct. Not wanting to badger my supervisor. I often sought out. I often sought out answers out from other co-workers. Okay. First part, okay, correct. My supervisor, I often sought, I seek, sought, web, out. I often seek out, correct, second part. Third part, no, seek out, already adverb is here out, answers out, it is wrong. Usage of out is wrong here. So third, 3 is error, only 3, option 3 correct. Next sentence. Although I attempted to avoiding wrong. After 2 we always use base form, no? Avoid. Although I attempted to avoid the school bully, he always goes out of his way to be inimically wrong. See, here we have B. B is a B form. After B form, we always use adjective, not adverb. Inimically adverb. Inimical, right. Inimical means harmful, inimical. So, here it is error. Adverb is not used. Here to infinitive, to plus base form. So first part error, third part error, 1 and 3, option 2. Next sentence, irate and wrathful, wrathful means angry. Irate and wrathful, the vengeful wife, yes, first part correct, was looking for a way, correct, to punish, correct, her cheating husband on, not necessary. Her cheating on husband, meaningless. Option 3, wrong. Only 3. Option 2. Because the pharmacy is closed, Jock is unable to get his painful medicine, correct. Not paining medicine, painful medicine. And is becoming increasingly belligerent. Belligerent means quarrelsome. So error is in the second part. Only 2. Option 3 correct. To the viewers, chagrin means disappointment. Final episode of the television series ended with several unanswered questions. To the viewers, chagrin, final episode of the television series ended with several unanswered questions. Correct. All the 3 parts are correctly given. No correction. Option 5. So this is the end of today's paper. We shall meet tomorrow.